Hey loves, welcome back again to my channel. How are you all doing, guys? I trust you guys are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you how I made this delicious fish pie. This fish pie was so delicious and it's very easy to put together. So guys, let's get right into the video. So firstly, we are going to sieve our flour just the way I'm doing in this video. Guys, all ingredients and measurements are written in the description box, so do well to check it out, okay? So next thing is to add in some sugar, then go in with baking powder and a pinch of salt. So I'm just going to mix all this together to combine. So now I'm going to add 1 egg, then add a little water. I'm going to be adding the water gradually. Then I will go in with my butter. After adding my butter, I'm just going to start mixing to form a dough. So at this point, our dough is ready. So this is what we are going to be working with. So I'm just going to wrap this with nylon and put it in the refrigerator for 20 to 30 minutes. So while we wait for the dough to rest for 20 to 30 minutes, we are going to make our filling. So here I have boiled mackerel fish, carrots, green pepper, red pepper, habanero pepper and onions. So next is to add a little vegetable oil into my fry pan, then allow it to hot a little, then go in with my chopped onions. I'm going to saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. So after then, I will go in with the chopped carrots, red and green bell pepper and habanero pepper. So I'm going to fry this for 2 minutes. So at this point, I'm going to add in some seasoning, thyme, curry and salt. Then stir it together. Then I'll go in with my boiled and deboned mackerel fish. So I'm going to mix everything to combine. So for the thickener, I'm going to be using some flour. I added water to mix the flour before adding it to the fillings. So I'm going to mix everything to combine, then allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then our fillings is ready. So you can see how it's looking. This was very delicious. So we are going to let this cool down completely. So let's start making the fish pie. So firstly, I'm going to beat 1 egg, then set aside. So in a clean surface, I sprinkle some flour, then brought out the dough. So I'm going to knead this for just 1 minute, then we'll start making the fish pie. So I'm just going to roll this. So I'm going to roll as I can. Then I will be using, you can use any cutter. We have fish pie cutter, anything you have, just use it. So for me, I'm just going to be using this ramekin dish to cut my dough. So this is how I did mine. You can see after cutting the dough, we are going to be adding the filling. So after adding the filling, we are going to egg wash the edge of the fish pie. You can use water or egg, anyone you prefer. Then we are going to be sealing this with our hands. You can do it just like this, just like the way I'm doing in this video. You can also use fork to seal the edge of the fish pie, okay? So we are going to repeat the same process until we are done with the dough. So like I said, you can use fork to seal the edge of the fish pie, or you can just use your hand to seal. Anyone that works for you is fine. So at this point, we are done making the fish pie. So I'm just going to poke with my fork, then egg wash the pie. So after I've egg washed the pie, it's time to bake. So I'm going to bake this for 80 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Guys, look at that. Look how yummy this fish pie is looking. Look at the inside of this fish pie. Guys, this was so delicious. And guys, if you are watched to this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up and share. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now. Bye.